Welcome back to our channel, where we analyze the latest trends and potential trade opportunities in the stock market. Today, we have an exciting analysis of the tech giant AMD, advanced micro devices. If you're interested in stock market analysis and investment opportunities, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Before we jump into the details, let's take a quick look at the chart. As you can see, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, commonly known as AMD, has been on a fascinating journey over the past year. We'll be exploring the recent breakout and the potential trade plans based on the chart analysis. As we take a look at the daily time frame chart of AMD, we can observe a significant breakout that occurred with a gap up. This breakout has been followed by a successful retest of the gap, indicating a strong bullish momentum in the stock. This could signal potential opportunities for traders looking to capitalize on the uptrend. Let's dive right in and examine AMD's recent price action. In the months of May and June, the stock experienced an impressive rally, catching the attention of investors. However, as is typical in the market, a pullback followed, presenting an opportunity for trend followers to reassess their positions and strategy. Zooming in on the chart, the first pattern that stands out is the drop towards the $107 level in late June. Remarkably, this retracement amounted to a 50% correction of the initial upward thrust. This level holds significant importance as it may serve to validate the direction of the overall move. Moving on, we come across a tight consolidation pattern that followed the retracement. During this phase, AMD's price made higher lows while remaining below the May 25th low. This intriguing formation points towards a potentially bullish ascending triangle continuation pattern. While the consolidation took shape, the Bollinger Band width, a measure of volatility, notably narrowed. This period of compression often precedes a significant price expansion. The question now arises, will AMD's price experience a substantial move after this tight consolidation? Only time will tell, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it. On Tuesday, AMD's stock touched its 50-day simple moving average, SMA, but managed to close above it. This event could be a crucial signal confirming that the stock's intermediate-term trend is still bullish. To sum it up, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated is currently displaying some intriguing chart patterns that warrant careful observation. The 50% retracement, the ascending triangle, and the Bollinger Band width narrowing all add to the excitement surrounding AMD's potential price movement. With its strong market presence, innovative products, and promising growth trajectory in the semiconductor industry, AMD has garnered positive attention from experts. And now, we'll be taking a close look at AMD and evaluating its fundamental performance. We will analyze its financial health, profitability, and growth prospects to better understand its current position in the semiconductors and semiconductor equipment industry. To begin our analysis, we assign AMD a fundamental rating of 4 out of 10. AMD was compared to 105 industry peers in the semiconductor sector. In other words, there is nothing too spectacular currently happening in these areas, as both the profitability and financial health of AMD receive a neutral evaluation. However, it's important to note that while AMD is presently considered relatively expensive, it does exhibit a decent growth rate. Let us discuss some of AMD's financial health. Over the past year, AMD has proven to be profitable and has maintained a positive cash flow from operations, showcasing its operational efficiency. Additionally, for each of the past 5 years, AMD has remained profitable and maintained a positive operating cash flow, which is a reassuring sign of its financial stability. When examining AMD's return on assets, we can observe that the company is not performing as well as other companies in the same industry. There is much room for improvement in this area, and it's worth keeping an eye on how AMD plans to enhance its asset utilization in the future. AMD's return on equity is currently on the lower side compared to its industry peers, indicating that other companies are outperforming AMD in this regard. While the company is striving to keep pace with its competitors, it may need to focus on improving its equity performance. AMD's return on invested capital is currently worse than that of its industry peers. However, measured over the past 3 years, the average return on invested capital for AMD is significantly above the industry average of 13.82%. The last return on invested capital for AMD is below the 3-year average, indicating that AMD had better years in the past. However, this may not be a major concern, and further investigation is warranted. Overall, the fundamental analysis of AMD reveals a mixed performance in terms of financial health and profitability. While the company maintains a decent growth rate, it faces challenges in certain areas such as return on assets and return on equity. Investors should consider these factors when making investment decisions regarding AMD. And now, We'll be diving into the predictions and recommendations of 40 analysts to better understand the outlook for this tech giant. The 40 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated have a median target of 139, with a high estimate of 200 and a low estimate of 80. The median estimate represents a plus 23.65% increase from the last price of 112.41. The current consensus among 44 polled investment analysts is to buy stock in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. This rating has held steady since July, when it was unchanged from a buy rating. According to the data provided by 40 analysts, the 12-month price forecasts for AMD are quite promising. The median target stands at 139, with a high estimate of 200 and a low estimate of 80. This means that the median estimate represents a remarkable plus 23.65% increase from the last price of 112.41. This optimistic projection has certainly captured the attention of investors and traders alike. Now, let's delve into the recommendations provided by 44 polled investment analysts. The current consensus among them is a resounding buy for Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. What's interesting is that this rating has remained consistent since July, when it was unchanged from a buy rating. The fact that analysts have continued to maintain this positive outlook reflects the confidence they have in AMD's future potential. To gain a deeper understanding of AMD's potential, let's hear from some experts in the field. Many analysts have expressed enthusiasm about AMD's innovative products, strong market presence, and continuous growth in the tech industry. Their optimistic outlook stems from the company's relentless pursuit of excellence, which has enabled it to consistently outperform market expectations. In summary, the future looks bright for Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, as projected by the impressive 12-month price forecasts and the unanimous buy recommendation from analysts. However, it's essential to remember that investing in the stock market carries inherent risks, and it's always wise to conduct thorough research and seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's analysis of AMD. If you found this information helpful and insightful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow investors. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on market trends, investment strategies, and the latest updates in the world of finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.